Hi, hello. As you all know, I am your Basha sir. Welcome back to our channel, Maths with Khadir sir. As you all know, in the previous video, we completed about the concept of relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of a polynomial. Now, in this video, we are going to see some examples on that concept. Now, the first example is example 1, 7x square x square plus 7x plus 10. This is what polynomial? This is quadratic polynomial. Why it is quadratic polynomial? The highest degree of this polynomial is 2. So that's why this polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. Now for this quadratic polynomial, we have to find the zeros, and next we have to derive and discuss about the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of this polynomial. As in the previous video, I said that the zeros of a polynomial for a quadratic polynomial, if ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial with zeros alpha and beta, then the sum of zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and the product of zeros alpha beta is equals to c by a. This is what we discussed in the previous video. Now first we have to find the zeros of the given polynomial. Then write solution the given polynomial. What is the given polynomial? x square plus 7x plus 10. X square plus 7x plus 10. As I said, to find the zeros of any polynomial, first equal that polynomial to 0. So write equal to and 0. Now, as we know that to find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, we use the splitting middle term method. Now, to find the middle term, we have to multiply the first and last term, and whose product is here 1 into 10. 1 into 10 is equals to 10, and 1 into 10 equals to 10, and whose sum will make the 7x. Whose sum will make the 7x. By multiplying this and this, you will get 10. Now to get 7x, what factors will make 7x of 10? Here write the factors of 10. First one is 1 into 10, 10, and 2 5s are 10, and 5 2s are 10, and 10 1s are 10. Here among these factors of 10, which two factors will you give? By multiplying they will give 10, and by adding they will give 7. If you observe clearly, 1 plus 10 is equals to 11, but here 7x, 2 plus 5 7x. Yes, it will possible. So now write x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. 10 is equals to 0. Now take common. Here what we can take common here? X. If you take 1x common from here is x square, 1x is left, and here x is taking common and 2 is left here, x plus 2. Now from this term, what can you will be able to take common? Here you can take 5 common, and if you take common 5, here x is left, and here 10 in 5 table how many times? 2 times. Then here two factors. Here two factors are here. What is that? First one is 2 zeros are here. What is the first one? X plus 5 and x plus 2. 2 zeros are here. One is inner one and another one is the outer one. So equal to 0. Now x plus 5 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 5, and x plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. Now we all have a doubt. What is that? Is these zeros are the zeros of this polynomial or not? So what I said, to check whether these are the real polynomials or not of the given the zeros of the given polynomial, we should substitute these x values in the given polynomial. Then you will get Then if you get the entire polynomial 0, that means these are the correct values what we get. Now in x square, substitute x is equals to minus 5. Now here x square means minus 5 whole square plus 7 into minus 5 plus 10. Here minus 5 into minus 5, 25 plus 7 into minus 5 minus 35 plus 10, 25 plus into minus minus plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35 minus 35 is equals to 0. So that means here x is equals to minus 5 is the 0 of this polynomial. Now what is the next value we got? What is the next value we got here? X is equals to minus 2. So sub x is equals to minus 2 in the given polynomial, minus 2 whole square plus 7 into minus 2 plus 10, 2 into 2, 4, minus 14 plus 10. Here 4 into 10, 4 plus 10, 14, minus 14 is equals to 0. That means this is also a 0 of this polynomial. Now see the relationship between the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So what is the first one? The first one is sum of zeros. What is that? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta, what is the first value? Minus 5 plus beta, what is the second value? Minus 2 is equals to, here what is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x here? 7 minus 7, and here what is the coefficient of a? 1. Now minus 5 plus into minus 2, minus 7 divided by 1, any number divided by 1 is equals to itself, so minus 7. Here minus 7 is equals to minus 7. So this is the relation between the sum of zeros. Now product of zeros. What is that? Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Alpha means minus 5 into minus 2 is equals to 10. Here what is the constant term? 10 by 1 is equals to 10. So this is what the relationship between the zeros and coefficient of a polynomial, and this is the first example which is given in your class 10 NCERT textbook. Now move to the next problem.